Hey there, Dan here from Tech Support, and today we'd like to show you how you can share a dynamic video through Instantly. So I do have my campaign already set. If you do not know how to do it, no worries, I'll leave a link below so you can see what are the first steps like, okay? But because everything is ready, I'll just make a few clicks here and you'll notice how the background changes. So that means that we are now ready to share the campaign. So let me go to Instantly, there we go. We simply need to click here to copy the code or the video snippet. And once we're ready, we can now start building our campaign. Okay, so of course I'll do a simple step by step so you can just then take it from there and do your own huge campaign. Okay, so click on add, my campaign, continue, import leads. And this step is actually very, very important. So I'm going to upload a CSV file with contacts, but this needs to be the same as we have here. Okay, so it needs to have the same type of context that we have here. If you have something different or a contact is missing, of course they might not get the full video or the full video information, right? Because this is dynamic videos, so the system won't know what background to put. Okay, so they'll just get the original one. Okay, so this is very important. Use the same CSV file here as you're using here. Okay, so I'll just put it here. Context, this is the one that I want. Let me to move it right there. Okay, job title, I'll leave it like that, and website. Okay, so the rest is ready. Let me upload this. Okay, now we're ready to start building the email, right? And we need to go here to code view, and you'll notice that everything else grays out. So we're now ready to paste the email, the snippet that we got from before, from the previous step. Now, if we click back, we'll have the video right there. Okay, so making a single click over the video or on the video will make this frame appear that will let us, drag and make the video smaller to adjust it to our needs. Also, one click there and an enter will give us a little bit more room on the top. So we can put something like, "Hey Tom, we're happy to announce," etc. Okay. So we can leave it just like that, and we can now hit on preview email, and you'll notice how the background just pops up right away. Okay, so this is just one of the emails, but let me just show you how the other ones look. Sendspark, there we go. Oh, let me change that. Yeah. Okay, and the last one. Okay, there we go. Okay, so everything looks great. This is as simple as this. We can now send the emails. You can even just send one, and so you can actually see how it will look like once it gets to the recipient's email. And I highly suggest this because making these previous tests will actually let you uh, get or actually understand how everything will look like on the other person's end. Okay, so hopefully this was very clear. If you do have any questions, of course, I'm right here. So just let us know. You can send an email to support@sendspark.com. Okay, so have a great day. Bye bye.